Hi friends, this is KB and you are watching my YouTube channel. And finally we have reached to Great Canyon's West Rim. And there are two ways to explore this area. One is from the helicopter ride, which is really expensive. It's nearly about $360 for a ride. And the second way to explore this area, you can take a bus. So there are two or three packages for the buses as well. One is for $50. So the bus will take you for 2 hours, and there are three or four spots where you can explore this area. And the second one is around for $65, which includes the Skywalk as well. Skywalk is a glass bridge which they have made up in the Great Canyon. So it's very scary to walk on this bridge, but there is a catch in the Skywalk. You can't take your belongings like phone, cameras. So let's see if I can take a picture or make a video for this Skywalk, but it is very difficult because they are not allowing for these things. Let's see what can happen. So guys, this place you can use for the shooting, for the real shooting as well. It's a game here, so it's very dangerous and exciting as well. Bye bye, prisoners. More tears.
I've cried enough.
Alright guys, so this is the first spot which we are heading to in the Great Canyon, and look, I'm in the prison. I don't know why. Just because I came here for sightseeing, I don't know. Let's see what happens next. So these are the famous prisoners, or you can say celebrities. So this is the game. So the people play here like this. Oh, I miss it. Yuppie! You can do the horse riding here as well. Bull catching. Practice over here. So guys, that's it for this location. So this is the first location in the Grand Canyon, and now we are moving to the next location. So here's the bus to take us for the next point. So guys, this is the main point, Skywalk and the Great Canyon view. I will try to make a video of the Skywalk from the outside because it's not allowed inside. So friends, the things which you are seeing behind me is the Great Canyon Western Coast, and this is the real thing which I am talking about, and this is the second place of our journey. This structure is made up by the river. Believe it or not, it's strange, but this structure is made up by the river. And now I will moving on to the Skywalk. So guys, this is the Skywalk which you are seeing right now.
और हमें यहाँ से ऊपर डैम पहुँचने में फिर वहाँ पे भी टाइम लगेगा, फिर शाम 2 बजने वाले हैं, है ना? कितना टाइम लगता है यहाँ से ऊपर डैम को?
हाँ 2 घंटे।
मतलब वही वेगस के पास है,
हाँ वेगस से बाहर निकलोगे ना 2 घंटे। So here it comes, the Grand Canyon, and it's now I'll introduce with your beloved KB.
So this is the third and last point for the Grand Canyon tour. So in this place you can get the 360-degree view of this place. So now I'm going to that place. So it's time to go top of the top. Victory on Grand Canyon. That's all for this video. Please stay tuned with me and with my channel. There are lots of videos coming up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share the video, like my video.